Hi, I'm Kate. Welcome to FARMBREAD. So today I'm going to share this really delicious recipe with you. A friend of mine shared it with me and I had to make it right away. It's more of like an appetizer or an hors d'oeuvre that you're going to be able to share with friends and family. What you'll need is a round loaf of sourdough. Any sourdough, really just like a regular sourdough, a wheel of Brie, some raspberry preserves, and a little lime. Now, the original recipe that my friend shared with me called for a lemon, so either a lemon or a lime. Even an orange might taste really good, but a little citrus twist on top of the raspberry goes really nicely. So we'll take our Brie, and I'm just gonna kind of cut a hole around it. You want it big enough. Be careful when you do this. And definitely save this top part because you can use it as a dipper to dip it into the bread. Okay, let's take it off for a second as I finish going around. There we go. Just kind of pull this top part off. Oh wow, this looks delicious. Yummy. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is just kind of score the top of our cheese. Now, if you don't like this top part, you can always take this off too if you're really not fond of this kind of like shell that is on Brie. If you don't want this on the bottom, you can just kind of slice it gently off the cheese like so, and this is gonna help it kind of drip down into the bread as well. So put that aside, and then we can put, you know what, I might actually cut off just a little bit of the top too. Just those little pieces that are a little bit crunchier that not everybody likes. You don't have to do this, but I know my kids are gonna want it off. So I'll just do that. And then put this to the side. And now we're just gonna plop this scored piece of Brie down in here, like so. Once we have our cheese kind of pushed down in there a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my raspberry preserves and just kind of smear it on top. And again, you're gonna wanna try to get the preserves into these scored lines of the cheese. Just kind of smother it on top. The original genius behind this recipe, I believe, is from Acts of Sourdough. But like I said, my friend shared me a link and oh my gosh, I saw it. I had to make it right away. My daughter wanted to help out, so she's my filmer and now she's my zester. So the original recipe calls for a lemon, but we don't have a lemon. So we are using a lime, and I think any citrus is really gonna work nicely. How's that look? A little bit more?
Should be enough.
Okay. Our beautiful loaf is ready to go in the oven. So I'm gonna plop it in. I've got a baking stone here. I'm just gonna plop it in, and we're just gonna bake it until the cheese is nice and ooey gooey melty on top. Ooh. This is so good. I have to say, I really like the lime with the raspberry too. It's a beautiful blend of like tart with sweet. And the cheese is so creamy, it just soaks into the bread. It is so good. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new recipe. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. I would love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to post any questions in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If there's anything that I haven't made that you'd like me to make, definitely post that in the comments below too. I'm always looking for new ideas. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.